Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I want to talk to you about Stability AI. That's right, Stability AI has just launched
And before that, subscribe to my channel to stay updated in the AI development.
a usable version of their soon-to-release Stable Diffusion XL 0.9 or .9, depending on how you want to pronounce it. And I'm going to be honest with you, it is really good. I'm going to show you just a few examples here. It's currently available for use on clipdrop.co/stable diffusion. You'll see here that it is now available to generate images with you. And let's just take a look at a couple. There's just a couple of examples here. I'll run them for you. It's even free for free users, so keep that in mind. I'm just going to click on skip here, and you'll see here that it's been waiting, but bang, I just hit a button there, and presto, breathtaking line art drawing. Like, that's pretty damn good if you ask me. You, of course, can type in anything you want. French bulldog eating pizza on a beach. Hit generate. You can, of course, add in your styles if you want, but I'm just going to make it nice and simple. And I'll be honest with you guys, this is just absolutely phenomenal. And the reason why it's interesting is a few things. One, it's currently free, so there's that. So if you don't want to pay for something like Midjourney, look at that. That's awesome. Although it's got a little bit of that purple neon punk action going on there. But again, you can click on this button here. I just clicked on neon punk, and you'll see here that I can change it to photographic, regenerate the images, and you can download them for free. The other thing I should mention is that this is almost ready for launch, and when it is ready, you'll be able to download it. And the reason why that's interesting is because it runs on modern GPUs. So if you have a NVIDIA 2000 series or higher with 8 gigs of RAM, you will be able to run this without any problem. So basically, if you've got a video card that's relatively good in the last 3 or 4 years, you should be good to go. So there's that to keep in the back of your head. So anyways, it's free to use. Go to clipdrop.co, links in the description below. Try it out. Use it. It's awesome. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Like, this is as good as Midjourney almost. Like, this is absolutely phenomenal. So anyways, kudos to these guys. Stability AI, you've done a great job. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to my channel to stay updated in the AI development.